Welcome, seekers of ancient wisdom, to a journey deep into the earth's embrace. Today we explore the fascinating history and powerful magic of vetiver, a plant that has been revered for centuries for its grounding energy and its ability to attract wealth and stability. In this video, we'll delve into the history of vetiver and witchcraft, discover why and how it's used, particularly its roots, and explore its alignment with deities across various cultures. Vetiver, a tall perennial grass native to India, has long been valued for its fragrant roots and its deeply grounding energy. In ancient South Asia, vetiver was used in rituals to purify spaces, protect against negative energies, and connect deeply with the earth. The roots of this plant, known for their tenacity and strength, symbolize stability, making vetiver a key ingredient in magical practices aimed at protection and prosperity. As vetiver spread across the world, it found its way into various cultures and magical traditions. From ancient Egypt to the Mediterranean, vetiver became known not only for its aromatic qualities, but also for its ability to ground, protect, and attract wealth. Today, vetiver is a staple in witchcraft, cherished for its versatility and its powerful connection to the earth. Vetiver is a plant of many uses, each form offering its own unique benefits in witchcraft. Let's explore how vetiver is used from its roots to its essential oil, and how each form can be incorporated into your magical practice. The vetiver plant itself is often grown around homes and gardens to create a protective boundary. Its presence is believed to shield against negative energies and bring peace and stability to the household. Vetiver's deep roots connect it to the earth's energy, making the plant a powerful ally for grounding and protection. Vetiver root, perhaps the most potent part of the plant, is a powerful tool in magical practices. Its deeply grounding energy makes it ideal for rituals focused on financial growth and stability. By carrying a piece of vetiver root, placing it in your wallet, or using it in a money-drawing charm bag, you can harness its energy to attract wealth and secure a stable financial foundation. Vetiver incense, with its rich, earthy aroma, is often burned to cleanse spaces of negativity and to create a protective atmosphere. The deep, smoky scent helps to ground the mind and body, making it an excellent aid in meditation and rituals that require focus and clarity. Burning vetiver incense during financial spells can also enhance their effectiveness, drawing prosperity and abundance into your life. Vetiver essential oil is another powerful form of this plant, used in witchcraft for its calming and grounding properties. This oil can be used to anoint candles, talismans, or money-drawing charms. By adding a few drops of vetiver oil to a diffuser during financial rituals, you can anchor your intentions and amplify the energy of your spell work. Vetiver root is especially revered in witchcraft for its ability to draw money and help create a stable foundation for financial growth. Let's explore how you can use vetiver root in your own practices to attract wealth and ensure financial stability. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to use vetiver root for money magic is by creating a charm bag. Place a piece of vetiver root in a green cloth bag along with other money-drawing herbs, like basil or cinnamon. Add a coin or a small piece of gold, then tie the bag with a gold ribbon. Carry this charm bag in your pocket or purse to attract wealth and ensure financial stability. Another powerful method is to carry vetiver root as a personal talisman. You can anoint it with vetiver oil while focusing on your financial goals, then carry it with you throughout the day. This talisman will help ground your intentions and draw money towards you, ensuring a stable flow of income. To create a stable financial foundation within your home or business, place vetiver root in the corners of the space. This practice not only protects the area, but also encourages a steady flow of income, grounding your financial intentions in the physical world. Vetiver's grounding properties align with several deities across various cultures, each representing stability, protection, and prosperity. While vetiver is not directly associated with specific deities, its qualities make it a perfect complement to rituals invoking these gods and goddesses. These are just a few of the deities that might align with the energies of vetiver when used in rituals or spells. Hestia, the Greek goddess of the hearth and home, embodies the grounding and protective qualities that vetiver brings. When using vetiver in rituals focused on home security or family stability, invoking Hestia can amplify these energies, ensuring a peaceful and protected environment. Gaia, the personification of Earth, represents the stability and nurturing aspects of the planet. Vetiver, with its strong connection to the Earth, resonates deeply with Gaia's energy. Use vetiver in rituals dedicated to Gaia to enhance grounding and to draw on the Earth's abundant energy. Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth and prosperity, is often invoked in rituals for financial growth. By incorporating vetiver root into spells and offerings to Lakshmi, you can align with her energy to attract abundance and create a stable financial foundation. Freya is the Norse goddess of love, fertility, and wealth. She is also associated with magic in the earth. Vetiver's role in money magic and its earthy energy aligns well with Freya's domains of fertility and wealth, making her an appropriate deity to work with when using vetiver in financial spells. Demeter, the Greek goddess of the harvest, agriculture, and fertility of the earth, ensures the stability and abundance of the land. Vetiver's connection to the earth and its use in rituals for financial growth and stability make it a suitable plant to use in offerings or spells dedicated to Demeter. Vetiver is more than just a plant. It is a powerful ally in grounding, protection, and prosperity. Whether you use it as a root, incense, or essential oil, Vetiver's energy can help you connect deeply with the earth, draw wealth into your life, and create a stable foundation for long-term success. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the magical world of vetiver. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the ancient practices of witchcraft. Until next time, may your path be grounded and your fortune abundant.